I think the MPC One just changed my whole entire workflow. Christmas came, I got the MPC One Plus for Christmas, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a learning curve the first day. First day, I struggled really bad just to even put anything together, but thanks to YouTube, I was able to figure a couple things out, but I've always wanted to use it. You know, I always thought it was too hard. I would try to find an easy way out. I started out just a rapper, so I never really cared about making beats like that. But, you know, it was something about the MPC that I was like, yeah, like old school hits from the 90s or early 2000s and stuff came out the MPC, man, for sure. So we all know the MPC is like #1 for sampling or whatever. But I could have got the X, but I was like, I wanted to spend $2,000 for something that I probably wasn't gonna like. Let me tell you something, man, it's pretty fire, man. Man, it's just a doll, you know, with no mouse. You know what I'm saying? But it's actually faster than you think it is. This is not gonna be a review video, how far I've gotten within 3 days and how fast it was for me to learn it. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that you can go get reviews and unboxing from, man. But at the end of the video, I'm gonna let you know my thoughts and am I switching from Studio One or straight to standalone MPC? to the MPC. Definitely for beat making. Definitely, I like the sound packs. I feel so motivated using the MPC than I do sitting in front of the DAW. When I put the track out inside of Logic, if I want to add a sound, I just grab a plug-in, add a quick sound, and whatever from there. And that's what it is. So subscribe to the channel, man. You subscribed already. I was hoping to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Right now we had 96 subscribers. Share the video, man, and